Installed minimal CentOS 6.4 in VirtualBox but have no internet. I just started using the VirtualBox, but I don't seem to have any internet on the CentOS when I type, yum update. Is there a solution to my problem? It could possibly be a problem with misconfigured VirtualBox. Here is an output of ifconfig.
Looks like your F0 is not set up. Here is what I did to fix mine on CentOS 6.4. This should return, networking equals yes. If it does not, then change it to yes. This should look like. There are a few options that we want to change here. nm_controlled needs to be no, onboot needs to be yes, and finally add this code at the bottom. This will allow you to grab an IP from your DHCP and essentially enable IP4. Now the whole file should look like this. Save and close. Now, let's restart the network service to reload with these settings. Notice the F0-awesome. Now let's check to see if we got an IP4 from our DHCP. You should now see F0.
You have no networking configured. You should have enabled it during install. It's not obvious. I missed it too during my first minimal install. Try. This will get you started. Then try. Which will give you a curses-based network config program where you can set things permanently.
I had a similar problem, but all I needed to do was edit the network script to yes for onboot and restart the network. Edit the network script. Restart network.
When you're installing CentOS, on the networking page, there is a button at the bottom left that allows you to configure the network settings. Click at it next to S0 and find the checkbox to set the network to connect automatically.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.